Welcome to WorkCell, a system designed to develop career and technical education skills by building and coding a small industrial automation unit like this. Inside the classroom, our WorkCell presents your students with real-world scenarios. That means what they're learning here translates directly to WorkCells used by various industries throughout the world. Our dynamic VEX CTE WorkCell comes with essential elements for industrial automation, including pneumatics, sensors, linear and serpentine conveyor belts, and a 6-axis robotic arm. The arm is capable of picking up and placing cubes and discs, as well as writing on the included dry erase surface. Using various sensors, WorkCell is capable of identifying both objects, allowing you to program each element of the WorkCell and each object's destination through VEX code. The signal tower can also be programmed to indicate the status of the WorkCell. Students can even work together and combine multiple WorkCells to increase functionality and expand problem-solving possibilities. For educators, we've also created a variety of WorkCell curriculum that fits easily into your CTE classroom. The VEX CTE WorkCell is an exceptional starting place for students to learn practical, lifelong skills that will serve them in their future careers. To learn more, visit cte.vex.com.